Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Jack's second Section 8 rental property, guys. Jack bought this thing for $55,000. We did everything here. You name it, we did it. It's got a brand new roof. The entire inside of the house was redone. I want to walk you through it. We'll talk a little bit about what we did, and you guys can see for yourself how it turned out. But so guys, Jack has done a Section 8 unit already. We've put it on the channel. I'll put his first unit in the description as well, so you can see that, and then you can see this one, but this one's fantastic. So walking through here, originally this was a 3-bedroom house. We turned it into a 4. So coming in here, we have bedroom number 1. Okay, so bedroom number 1, right off of the front door, you come right in, right into the bedroom. We have our closet right here, good sized room. Really happy with how this came out. All brand new LVP, drywall work throughout the whole thing, entire house painted, brand new electrical work. I mean, everything, you name it. A brand new electrical service, 100% coated, and ready to go. So then we built this room next to it. So this was part of the living room. And the thing about these homes is there's a lot of wasted money on extra space in living rooms. So this is a great setup. We built this closet, built this entire wall, new door, of course, new frame to create that. But basically, what you have in a lot of these houses is wasted space that we can turn into money without sacrificing something. So this is a perfect example of being able to add a bedroom without sacrificing. So we have a good sized living room here. You put your TV, put your couch, put your TV, whatever you want to do. It's going to put you in a great position to be able to make more money on a home that originally didn't have the layout to support more cash flow. So as we walk into the bedroom, guys, we have bedroom number 3 right here, okay? So bedroom number 3, all new doors throughout the entire thing. Guys, this thing was a disaster. This thing needed a ton of work, and I'm thrilled with how it came out. So walking back out into the living room, we come into the kitchen, guys. Everything in the kitchen, totally brand new cabinets, new countertops, everything. We walk back into the back half of the house. We have a brand new bathroom, brand new shower, toilet, vanity, and then brand new bedroom back here too, with a full walk-in closet as well. So this is your master. You've got a bathroom right outside of your master. And guys, you know, when Jack and I started working together, Jack had a goal of being able to scale a Section 8 portfolio and create something really special, make something that was going to last, create a portfolio to give him cash flow, to give him appreciation, something that he can then pass on to his kids. So that is what this is, and we're building the foundation, the building blocks of that portfolio are in the first couple houses always. You can't build unless you have a really strong base, and this is part of that really strong base. So guys, looking for somewhere between $1,300 and $1,400 a month for this rental, 100% guaranteed Section 8 income. But you see the quality, you see the time that it takes, you see the upgrades and the updates. And that's so important, because the person who moves into this is gonna say the same thing. They're gonna say, wow, the person who owns this put a lot of time and attention and care into this. They care about me. And that's what we do, because when you take care of other people, you make more money. When you say, screw it, we'll put them in a piece of junk and leave them there, and it's not gonna matter, we'll make money every month, you're gonna lose money. Promise. So guys, if you want to do this, if you want to follow in Jack's footsteps, if you want to create your own portfolio, build wealth over a long period of time through rental properties like this, send me an email in the description below and we'll get you started. See you next time.